This is Death Diary, Sunday the 4th of July. It's now about 8:15. This is the very first one. We've wanted to do these for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. What these are about is to diarise our deaths, fundamentally and basically. That's what it is. How we've managed to survive this long is just beyond comprehension. It truly is. But we're done. We're finished. We're blown. I've not prepared any scripts or anything. Just a basic talk about what we've done today or been doing. I try and do one every day, which is why we're using this little game here, which has been an absolute nightmare to try to pull together. It's not our scene. If I sound slurry, that's because I have good days and bad days. And at the present time I'm on 3 weeks of nasty toothache all over here. I don't know why. For that 3 weeks we would try to push to get as much merch together, merchandise to go on, to sell on eBay, to stay alive. We've sold all our footwear. All I have left is a pair of old broken down slippers, cracked soles. Brother's exactly the same. All he's got is a really old pair of trainers. But you need food. You need food. I hope to do better than what I'm doing now. This really is for anybody in the future who wants a true snapshot of what real life is like in the 21st century. 21, that's 2021, look out. Yeah, oh yeah, so does my brother. For some reason we've only got half a brain, I think, between us. The hell was I just saying? You can't remember either.
No, God.
Great. I'm not scripting these because that just takes more energy, and we haven't got any energy at all for decades. We copped some virus, but that's besides the point. As these go on, I'll say little bits and pieces about how we got into this position. But let's get on with this little death diary. For the last 2 weeks we've been fighting and wrestling how to get a little camera that came with this laptop to actually work. That's the most amazing thing. There's a few more test videos up on here before this one where we're trying to figure out what the hell we're doing, because we don't know. We've got to learn it all from scratch. We used Windows XP. That's what we've been running on for year after year after year. And Windows Movie Maker.
Yeah.
And every time we play back, that's popping and cracking and popping and cracking. So like the fools we are, we try to figure out why. Then one of us had the notion to go online See if anybody else is experiencing the problem and how they fixed it. Yeah, tons of people are experiencing exactly the same. There's no fix. It either does or doesn't. What the quality of this is going to be exactly, I don't know. But that's got to be of an evening. So this really is for what it's worth. And frankly, I don't care. I just want this record as chronological time. We cannot go on much longer. That's so difficult to explain, but that's like life force itself is just draining away. It feels so weird. We've had a lot of real badness, and that this is the one that feels like it. What would you say?
I would say it's absolute life force, like all your electrical energy, soul energy, spirit energy is just drained away to nothing. Like nothing at all.
We've talked about it, and both of us literally feel like we just want to lay down, never get up again. I don't know why it's so powerful. Something else is weird. The birds aren't singing. We've always got wood pigeons round here, seagulls squawking. Sparrows are still giving it some. Not much, but they are trying, because they must be tough little old buds.
They've got to be.
But starlings, we usually get a chaffinch on top of the aerial across the way. Never see it no more. Birds are not singing. When my little brother goes up to parcel shop to maybe put in an order, he says the birds, because there's trees up Safetown Road, there's usually loads of birds in there giving it the full. No, not anymore. So something is something. No idea what. Wouldn't even know where to look to find out. Just experience it. Same as there's just no air. You're breathing in. You go downstairs. You come back up, and that's gasping away.
Yeah.
I mean,
you want to go out up Safetown Road and that. There's no oxygen in the air. Not enough oxygen.
We open the landing window, try to take some nice breaths of fresh air in. There ain't any.
No.
So I really don't know what's going on. But we're going to try do these quite regularly and see how we go on anyway. Today, it's been a good day. We've eaten 63 pence worth of food. We have feasted.
Yeah.
It's been a good day.
Yeah, that is.
That consists of exactly this: a mug of char and a cheese butty, which happens to be round about our favourite, certainly in the top three.
Yeah.
And a chicken soup with, no, it weren't chicken today.
No.
What was it?
Cheese on beans on.
No.
No? Oh, I can't remember.
Yeah, you can't get.
No.
A vegetable soup.
Oh, half a vegetable soup.
Oh, yeah, good.
Okay.
Hello?
Fair brain.
I've got a feeling this has something to do with the dimensions. I don't even feel me. Rather don't feel him.
Not at all.
That's what we had today. Which was all gorgeous. I've got to say that really was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was all gorgeous. Oh, oi, Rufkin. And in the vegetable soup, I had 2 cream crackers at a penny each. My brother, because he's some kind of pig, he went for 4 cream crackers. And what you do, because, oh yeah, what's this about? Why cream crackers so rock hard now? We've got no teeth, literally. It's just ridiculous now. But you can't eat them. What we do with them is, my brother will crush them up smallish and swallow any lumps.
Yeah.
And I break mine all up, my 2, put them into one of our bowls, little bowls, spoon, mash them up, dust them up,
Yeah.
put them on the top, stick the soup in the nuka, 1 minute 30, jobs are good.
Yeah.
But that's good eating. I'm beginning to depress myself.
Yeah, both.
Something else we've noticed over the last few months is our eyes, both of us, our eyes have become absolutely appalling. I'm looking at the screen now, watching my little head bob up and down as I'm speaking. And I can barely see any of this at all. I don't even know how long this has run. Jeez. 11 minutes 44.
Wow. Wow.
That's too long. July the 4th, Sunday. About 8:30 if I can read that. Independence Day, we really promised ourselves to get that done. To celebrate. Fireworks, great. But we've now done the first one. This isn't going to be edited. I hope I haven't swore on it. I hope I haven't said anything bad. If I have, still don't care. We'll see how this goes on. I really don't know how to end this, except if you're in the future and you're reading this, because there's no way this is going to get past YouTube.
Nah,
YouTube. They if you did a video that doesn't even come up in the searches, even though you put the correct search in.
No,
they're
just
going
to promote their established people so they can get max revenue, and that's all they're interested in.
Which we understand that as a business, but at least tell us that's what you're doing. But in the future, that'd be nice if somebody's looking at this and seeing what real life is about, and not all this revisionist history that we've been stuffed with all our lives, because everything is a lie.
Absolutely lied to.
I think I'll just about do this.
Yeah.
I can't get over how long this has gone on for. 13.5 minutes.
Wow.
I'm going to do a few seconds more, so that in 13.5 minutes.
13 or something.
Yeah. I've got to just take it up to 14 minutes and let that be. I don't know what to say. It's now coming up to 14. It's there.